you tired of tossing and turning all night, desperately seeking that elusive good night's sleep?
Do you wake up feeling unrefreshed, struggling to face the day ahead? Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to conquer the world.
Well, we're about to share some game-changing tips that will revolutionize your sleep routine and transform your life.
Let's talk about the power of routine. Your body craves consistency, so aim to go to bed at the same time every night. This simple habit will help regulate your internal clock, making it easier to drift off into dreamland.
Now let's set the stage for sleep success.
Picture this, a dark, quiet room that's your personal sanctuary. Invest in some blackout curtains or an eye mask to keep those pesky lights at bay. And if noise is an issue, earplugs might just become your new best friend.
But wait, there's more.
Before you crawl into bed, it's time for some serious relaxation. Ditch the screens and opt for a good old-fashioned book or some soothing tunes. Breathing exercises will also help to get into sleep quickly.
Say goodbye to those late-night caffeine fixes and nightcaps. Instead, cozy up with a warm cup of herbal tea or milk. Your taste buds might protest at first, but your sleep-deprived self will be eternally grateful. An unhealthy diet and lack of exercise can stop us from sleeping well. Avoid eating large meals close to bedtime.
Now we know what you're thinking, but what if I can't fall asleep?
Don't panic. If you find yourself wide awake after 20 minutes, simply get up and do something calming. A little light reading or some gentle stretching can work wonders. Just remember your bed is for sleeping, not for midnight worrying sessions.
And here's a pro tip. Turn that clock away from your bed. Watching the minutes tick by is a surefire way to stress yourself out.
By following these simple yet effective strategies, you'll be well on your way to good night's sleep. Remember, good sleep isn't just a luxury. It's essential for your mental and physical well-being.
So are you ready to transform your nights and supercharge your days? Take the first step towards better sleep tonight and experience the life-changing power of a good night's rest.
Sweet dreams await. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more similar content.